Alright, so guys, in this particular video today, I'm going to show you how to create a US or UK TikTok account. So it's very easy, and all you need to do is download the TikTok application from your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. So make sure you download the original TikTok application, not the Lite, the original TikTok application. So I'm going to show you the difference between the Nigerian TikTok and UK TikTok account. So right now, this is my main Nigerian TikTok account, and you can see I have about 76,000 followers on this TikTok account. So I'm going to show you what the Nigerian accounts do not have. So I'm going to go over to the YouTube studio right there. So I'm going to tap on this particular icon up here. So once I tap on it, you can see where it says YouTube studio right there. You just tap on the YouTube studio, and now you are going to see monetization. So this is monetization right there. So now you can see all of the monetization I have right now is subscription, live reward, work with artists, and video gifts. So right now that means I cannot receive reward on my video upload. So if I upload videos on TikTok, I will not be able to receive any reward on it because I'm using a Nigerian TikTok account. So how do you open a UK or a US TikTok account? So if you just follow me on this particular step. So to open a UK or US TikTok account, you need to log out of this particular TikTok account that you have. So I'm going to log out right now. So to do that, I'm going to tap on this icon up here. You can see this icon up here. Once I tap on this icon up here, you're going to see settings and privacy down below. So just tap on that. Once you tap on that, you're going to scroll all the way down, and you're going to see logout or switch account. So right now I might tap on logout or switch account. So let me just use switch account. So switch account, I'm going to add account. So just tap on add account right here. And now we are going to sign up for a new TikTok account. So to do that, there are different methods you are going to use. We have the phone number right here, and we have the email, we have the Facebook, we have the Apple, we have the Google login. But the first thing, and which is the most important thing, is changing the country from Nigeria to UK or US. So I prefer the UK. Yes, I prefer the UK because of their currency is higher than the US currency. So now I'm going to tap on where it says Nigeria right here. You can see Nigeria is written down here. So just tap on Nigeria, which is down there, and now you're going to select UK. So just search for UK or look for UK right in here. So UK should be down below, and just look for United Kingdom. So now we have United Kingdom and we have United States right here. So I'm going to tap on United Kingdom, which is right here. So United Kingdom is right here. So now once I'm done with that, I'm just going to do United Kingdom, and now can you see it has changed to United Kingdom right now? So the next thing you're going to do is continue with email. Continue with email. So you're going to use an email to register right now. So tap on continue with email, and it's going to say you should enter the email you want to use right now. So I'm going to input my email right in there. So once I put that email right in there, you're going to tap on continue right there. So just tap on continue, and once you do that, it's going to send a code into your Gmail for you to link. So now the code is going to enter into my Gmail right now, and you're going to set your birthday. Make sure you are older than 18 years of age. If you are below 18 years, you might not be able to use the creator's reward on the TikTok account. So I'm going to just select a particular age right now. So continue. And right now, the next thing you are going to be asked is you are going to be asked to create a username. So you are going to create a username of your choice right now. So I'm going to put a username right in here. So I'm going to put it right now. I've selected a username, and you can skip to select a username later. So I'm going to tap on sign up right now. So it's loading, and it says logged in. Now you can see this is the account, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go over and tap on this particular three icon right there. So once you tap on this icon, go to YouTube studio. So once you go to YouTube studio right there, you're going to see right now, go to monetization, which is right there. Once you tap on monetization, you can see where it says creators reward program. You can say that's the difference between Nigerian TikTok account and a UK TikTok account. So with this creators program, you can earn reward by uploading videos on your TikTok account, but you need to be qualified for it. At least you need to be 18 years, you need to have 10,000 followers, and need to have 100,000 views in the last 30 days. So once you have all these requirements, you can basically just apply for the monetization on TikTok. So to check your country right now, all you need to do is just come over here, tap on settings and privacy, go to account. Once you go to account, you can see your account information, and you can see that this account is in United Kingdom right here. So that is it, and that is how to open a UK TikTok account. So everything that remains now is you uploading a quality and a good content. So if you like this video, now kindly follow this particular page and share this video to your friends and family. So see you on the next one.